You've been hearing of AI but don't know how to make money off AI. Here's the best way to earn up to 10 USD per hour on this platform just for training AI. So this is how it works. So stick with me from the beginning to end of this video to learn how this works, because there are some common mistakes people make that make their submission to be rejected and payments not accepted. So stay tuned. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you click on that link, you'll be brought to this website, and all you have to do is to continue with Google and choose the account you want to log in with. So once you've logged in, you'll be asked some questions and you'll be brought to this page. So on this page, you see you can choose any language you want to speak. If you have any native language and you can speak fluently, this website pay you $10 per hour just for training their AI. So if you speak Spanish, you can search for Spanish and you see you can earn 10 USDT per hour. So this is how it works. Once you find the one that match your preference, you click on it. So after clicking on it, it's going to load up a bit, and this is how it is now. So you can choose between free speech and monologue. So free speech, you have to discuss discuss about anything within the topic, which is this one being highlighted here. So you have to discuss about this topic, and the minimum recording time is 20 seconds, and this will give you 5,000 in-app coins. So you can see I've made over 13,168 coins from this platform. So that's the 13,000 coins was made in almost 3. So after the free speech, we have the monologues. What this monologue do, it give you a list of words and you have to record each of these. So if you want to record, you just have to click on this and you start recording. So clicking on it, you will always have to test your microphone first to see it works. So you click on start. See, the free speech pays more than the monologues. So on the free speech, you earn 5,000 coins, as I said before. The monologue pays you 1,418 in-app coins, and it varies depending on the language you speak. So there is also another way of earning from this platform. If you go back to the opportunities, you can see you can refer and earn. So if you click on refer and you see you earn 2 USDT for every accepted hour your friend completes. So both get 20% in-app coins on every recording. Also, if you continue to the opportunities, as you can find here, if you have recorded, each recording always undergo some reviews, and after each review you'll be paid the coins. So to earn the $10 per hour, there is a limit of 20 seconds minimum for each voice recorded. So the $10 is per each hour approved. So if you make a video or if you record your voice for 1 minute, you have to record that voice for 1 minute times 10 times 60 times, that is 1 hour. So each 1 hour that was approved, you'll be getting $10. So this is how this website works. If you want to withdraw, just go down and click on claim. After clicking on claim, you add your ERC address from the peak network. Is on most exchanges like KuCoin and Binance. So you can also withdraw to the SLC app. And for the in-app coins, this is how it is. You just have to insert your Silencio email and it will be sent to your account. So let me show you how it works. Opening the Silencio app. So this is what it looks like. Silencio is an app that pays you for active measurement of noise. So this Train AI is another subsidiary of their platform. So this is what it does. So if you get over the platform, after you withdraw, you go to the wallet section and you can see your balance here. So let's see how much this coin actually worth, so we'll know what we're earning. So I've gone over to CoinMarketCap, and this is the Silencio app, this Silencio coin, sorry. So this is the price of Silencio right now, 0.0001 at the time of making this video. So it has a market cap of $15 million and market cap of $2.6 million and FDF of $15 million. So if I click on the converter, as I told you guys before, the Train AI give you 5,000 per the topic. So if you click if I put 5,000 here, you can see you're making 77 cents, and I already have 13,600, let's just say, and I've made $2.1 just for recording 2 voices. So this is how this platform works. If you need more insights on how it works, just go to my description and copy the link, open the link in your browser and start making money today. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.